Welcome to this episode of Accounting for Small Business with business accountant Georgie Klein.
Okay. Today we're going to talk about banking and how it affects a small business owner. As a small business owner, the first thing you should set up is your own checking account for your banking for your business. It should also include a debit card. Also important is maybe a savings account. That savings account is for any of your extra money that you need to set aside for the federal government, and mostly important, if you owe sales tax, it's for your sales tax, because it's very hard to easy to collect that money and spend it and not set it aside, and the state will want their money and the federal government. So the savings account is good for that. You should also have a credit card, because always that way you have your debit card and credit card and you're ready to go. Now, for your checking account, you should always have some checks. I know you use online banking, but you should always have a few checks. There's always them contractors that are going to want checks. Every one of my clients that have said, no, I don't need checks, have used them. So you really should have a check. And you should have some kind of register to write down the check numbers, who they're made payable to, and how much it was. You should also keep track of your deposits. You should have some kind of register. I know with little swipe machines, they're very easy to use. You should always write down who your money's from, how much, and then that way you can track your deposits and your expenses. You should also keep track. I know it's very easy to forget which credit card, which debit card goes to my personal and checking and banking. It's easy to get them screwed up and backwards. But it's very important, if you use your business banking, should be only business banking. If you do use it for personal, try to transfer money back and forth. And it's also a good habit is that all your income for your business goes in your business checking account. Now, if you need money to pay your personal bills, transfer it by a check or online banking, and vice versa. If you by chance use your business banking card for a personal item, you should reverse and reimburse yourself. So all you have in your business checking account is your business expenses. Also, is a good idea every month to balance your bank statements and your credit cards. By doing that, you know you've taken care of all your income, all your expenses, and them expenses include like interest expense and business banking expenses. Them are also a tax deduction, so it's very important to make sure you take care of all your income and expenses. And at the same time, find a bank that you're very, very comfortable with and make a rapport with your business banker. That's also important, so if you're having trouble or you need copies or if you want one for a loan, it's always nice to know that business banker. As of today, you can always find me on my website, www.bizbygeorgie. You can find me on LinkedIn and Facebook. I will be posting all my notes from all my episodes. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching this episode of Accounting for Small Business with Georgie Klein. For more great information, visit her website at bizbygeorgie.com. Also browse the other shows found right here at Columbus Biz TV Shows.